Well, race fans, we have the opportunity here today to do something sort of special to me at least, and that is to talk to Larry Zoeller. I have to put Junior in there just to keep Pa happy, and so, you know, he doesn't try to take credit for something. Believe it or not, Larry, 177, right? Wins here at Princeton Speedway.
That's it, 177.
For quite a while, for a number of years, a driver that raced here for a long time, just as you have, Ron Jones, had 176 wins. A lot of people said, nobody's going to touch him, nobody's ever going to do it. 2 Fridays ago, tonight, that's exactly what you did.
It was 2 Fridays ago, and it was a big thing for me to even be mentioned along with Ron Jones, who is world-class modified racer. But it's an accomplishment that's been over the years, and it's taken a while, but it's fun doing it, you know.
You know, we talked to a lot of drivers, you know, over the years, or I have, and one of the questions I love to ask, and considering how many years you've been driving modified, have you ever way in the back had another class of cars that you would have liked to at least try?
Not really. I had a late model for a couple of years along with the modified, and you know, that turned out to be just too much work and really not really enough money. So the modified's really my passion, and they're just fun to drive, and there's always something different, you know.
How long are you going to keep going for? What's your goals? You got any idea of when you'd like to quit, or are you going to just keep going for years?
Well, I guess we'll see what happens. I have a lot of fun with my dad, and we do it together, and so we'll see how long he keeps doing it.
There you go. Larry Zoeller Jr., thanks for your time. I appreciate it. And again, congratulations. 177 career wins here at Princeton Speedway. We're not talking about all the other wins. 177 right here at this track, so congratulations.
Thank you. I appreciate it.